Today I show you a really interesting way to undo on your iPhone. When you did something, when you were typing something, or you did some action that has an undo option, you can shake the phone to undo, just like this. Shake the phone and you undo. And I'll show you right now. So I have here the Notes app, and I'm going to start typing something, anything there. I don't know why it's so big. Okay, it seems like it's a regular size now. And I want to undo this last part I did now, and I will show you right now how to do it. Undo typing, undo. Undo typing, it's still doing it. One more time, undo. So it's actually working. If you notice here, the Notes app actually has the really convenient redo and undo options. So I could do it like this, but you can shake. You have to shake pretty convincingly. You have to shake it a lot. Undo, so that's removed. And undo again. Undo again. There's not much to undo again. So yeah. That's the idea, and I'll show you how to change the setting, and if you want to disable the setting also, this is maybe an option. I'll show you how to get to it now. Open the settings app. In the settings app, look for accessibility, and under accessibility you find the touch. This is a touch menu, and here you look for shake to undo. This is the option. Shake to undo. If you tend to shake your iPhone by accident, you can disable shake to undo to prevent the undo alert from appearing. That's how you disable it. And then if you want to type something again, there is no more shake to undo. You can always re-enable it, shake to undo, and you can always re-enable it. And now it's back, and I can do a redo style change here if I wanted to. But it's mostly it's really convenient to use these shortcuts if you have them in the apps. This is the shake to undo option, how to disable it and how to re-enable it if it's disabled, and how to use it. You just shake the phone. Thanks for watching. Before there was another option where you would do something else, but I can't remember. Write in the comment section below what was the other option to undo on your iPhone other than shake to undo. There was something like tilt the phone to undo or something like that. Thanks for watching. Write the comments below. Comment below if you know what it was. Comment below if you know what the other option for shake to undo it was. I think it was something like tilt to undo or something like this. Write in the comment section below if you know the answer. Thanks for watching.